Boost your reading speed for TOEFL and IELTS Success. Hello there, language learners. Today, we'll delve into one of the most sought-after skills when preparing for exams like TOEFL and IELTS, increasing your reading speed. Not only is this beneficial for exam scenarios, but it's also a great skill to have for lifelong learning. So, let's jump in and learn some techniques to supercharge your reading. Before we dive into the techniques, it's crucial to understand why increasing your reading speed is essential. TOEFL and IELTS reading sections can be lengthy, and time is limited. Reading quickly and effectively ensures that you 1. Complete the section in the allotted time. 2. Comprehend the main ideas. 3. Have time to review your answers. One common habit that slows us down is subvocalization, silently pronouncing each word as we read. To read faster, 1. Be aware of your subvocalization. 2. Practice reading without moving your lips or pronouncing words internally. 3. Use your finger or a pointer to guide your reading, encouraging your eyes to move faster across the text. Instead of reading word by word, chunking involves reading groups of words together. This technique 1. Reduces the number of eye movements, thus speeding up reading. 2. Enhances comprehension as you'll be grouping ideas rather than isolated words. Practice by 1. Highlighting or underlining groups of words in a text. 2. Reading the groups of words together, focusing on understanding their combined meaning. Utilizing your peripheral vision means recognizing words without directly looking at them. It's all about broadening your gaze. Here's how. 1. Place your finger or a pointer in the center of a line. 2. Without moving your eyes from the center, try to read the words to the left and right of your pointer. 3. Practice regularly to expand the number of words you can recognize in your peripheral vision. Like any skill, increasing reading speed requires consistent active practice. Here are some steps. 1. Set aside specific times daily for reading practice. 2. Use a timer and set goals. How many words or lines can you read in a minute? 3. Use varied materials, articles, stories, exam passages, to diversify your practice. 4. Track your progress. Celebrate improvements and work on challenges. There you have it. With these techniques and consistent practice, you're well on your way to boosting your reading speed for TOEFL and IELTS Success. Remember, it's not just about speed, but also comprehension. So, balance the two as you practice. We hope you found this video useful, and wish you the best in your language learning journey.